voltage pa rin dito. So something like yun, 17 volts output from here. Oh no, now this is 60 amps na Demoda MPPT on a 4S 27.5p, roughly 117 each, 50 amps na chip BMS. It's currently active balancing. Mix 32650 batteries. Sadly, naka-off ang inverter, no other load. Okay, so yeah. Sadly, nag-over voltage pa rin kapag walang load. Yun, that's it. So dito kanina, lagyan natin load and we'll observe. Let's turn this on. Oh, gee. Sorry. Then let's turn this on. See. By the way, the load is yan lang load ko ngayon, just the router and some cameras, nothing else. Maybe I'll start plugging in stuff. And pinag-full ko itong battery kahapon, hindi ko ginamit. Then so far it's gloomy ngayon, cloudy. And yeah, so far I don't see any over voltage. 300 watts na tatlong 100 watts panels in series. And so far, yeah, walang over voltage dito. Stays at 14. By the way, ang settings ito, so 14.4 yung full. It happened. What? Something is wrong. What happened? Good thing I'm recording. Parang something like battery full. Listen again. Yun. Full. Battery volt high. See? Matay. Oh my. Anyways, we'll try to troubleshoot. Saksak muna dito pero may load. Charge laptop. Then, yan. Anyway. Naka ATS yan, so I don't worry about sana mahabol. Battery priority 12, 13, 3. Battery mode is battery type setting is 14.4 on charging voltage. Charging current. Simple. Okay, so I don't know why, but I bet ito pa rin. Yun, 15. Maabot na 15. Oh no. So that 14.7. So bawasan natin siguro ito. That's fine. Natin 14.2. Wait, FLD. Bakit FLD yun? So tama pala. Okay. Oh, so na-on ko yung load. 14.7, 15 volts. Now it's saying battery is full. It's blinking something dito. Kanina, yan. Battery is full. It's still active balancing. I love this BMS, although it's 50 amperes only limited, but that's good. So I don't overload my system and I can slowly learn. Now this is showing 14.3, 14.4. Let me get my cheap multimeter. Of course, just do a check dito. It's showing 14. Mapaliw. 14.4. So, yep. Ano yung naka-display dyan, ha? Ito. So, hopefully, yung ginawa kong 14.2 dito. Yan. High voltage na. Let's set charge voltage. Then so and so far. Hindi na nag-fault so far ito. High voltage, battery high volt, and it's showing battery full. That's good. So mali yung setting ko rin dito na 14.4. Maybe let's change that na down. Yung charging voltage ko kasi lithium ion to. Yung babaan natin. Ayan. Okay. And so far, so 14 14.2, 100% is showing 100%. It's fluctuating. Haba na lang video ko. Sige lang, minsan lang to makapture. So yeah, and yeah, I guess that's it. Lagyan ko ng load para hindi magloko. That's it. This one is charging my laptop, and I'm using a slow charger. Can't reach for my official laptop charger, but that'll do for now. Hopefully it's all good. Makulimlim, but since full na yung battery, it's still actively balancing. Alright, so yan muna update. You can observe this, but yeah, hopefully this is all good. Thank you and bye bye.